Hello everyone, welcome to another episode Fun with Vintage Hi-Fi. Today I have for you a very nice cassette player by Technics, model M45 or RS-45, direct drive 2-motor SX head. Metal, that's what the name has, so can actually plays the metal tapes. What's on it? Just a quick explanation: eject, power, button, rec, and the usual rewind, stop, forward, play, pause, and the rec mute. Rec mute is during the recording, you can press it and basically mute the recording, whatever you're recording. Couple of knobs. This one is a tape selector and it has quite a lot of them. Normal position. Iron chrome or metal selector for the tapes, and also has an output level for like a little volume adjustment on it, but it's more like the what's going out of your recording, and a few push buttons, so noise reduction system, NR, in and out, and the input selector. Quite good one because it's the line in when it's released, or DIN, 5-pin DIN, and a timer for the recording. We can literally leave it for the recording, and obviously left and right microphone sockets, and input level like is left and right channels, or just vice versa. So let's start it. Let's don't play it with it. As you can see, lights up beautifully. Has this backlight here. I really like them when they have, because it's kind of catching. I'm not sure if you can see this. I want to show you. If you can see that actually gets a little bit on the spools as well. You see the backlight. That's I like that as well with that. That's quite cool. Let's put that a little bit further. Yes. And so as you see, there is still, let's call this analog tape counter, and a lovely orange or amber and silver display. That's now what I want to show you is a little bit interesting with the cassette draw. Look at this, what's happened when you press it. It goes forward and then tilts. I really like the same when you push it backwards. It goes first, as you see, first back to the like vertical position, and then lovely click in. TikTok. So let's play something. Generic one of my tapes which I'm using in. You see it's highlighting lovely. You can see the tapes. And let's hit the soft button, so called, and then we can hit the play, and it should be, there we go, without any delays. Lovely. I really like them cassette players when they kind of like play lovely like that. As you see, there is original tape, but left channel is little bit more on the input, on the pitch, but that's how hopefully it will go off. So that's what it is basically. And then obviously direct switch, so you can just press it, start, forward, or rewind same way, and press play straight away. Only play has the little LED indicator, so you know when it's darker how it works. Really lovely. Dolby. I'm not sure if you can hear the difference. Is the input not really, and the output. This one, because it's not really used. That's the really, I don't understand the idea behind it, because it's not really in use. So it's drying up the adjuster. So the recommend factor is by 5, to put on 5. And because on my amp is quite loud, so I leave it in sort of around 3. That's basically it. Just to show you a little bit behind, so let's do the stop. I'm not sure if I'll be able, if the cable is long enough, because my cables are being a bit short. I want to show you what's behind. And as you can see here, that's the line in for recording, and as on the front that's 5 DIN input for the, like let's call this old days connector. Also, what's interesting, that has a remote control capability. That's really cool, really cool. I really like them capabilities of remote, but they very rare to get across the those remote controls. To be honest, I haven't seen one, and I'm kind of keen to grab one if I ever go and find one. And that's basically it. That's what it is. It's quite big beast. I'm not saying no. It's a good part for your HiFi unit. If you're looking for something to be small and tiny, no, this one is quite, look, this is quite big unit. Yeah, that's literally what it is. Nothing strange. Recording same way, pause and rec. Many times I actually mistaken the power button for the eject button, because eject is quite big, so normally is the eject button is a bit on the right hand side or smaller, and I'm pushing the power. But with this case, say, let's play something just to try again. Literally, look at this, guys. Tilt forward and go. I love it. Something with classical music. Somebody gave me that tape, so I'm using sometimes for testing. And it's also good because it's 120, so it's kind of stronger on the matter to check. And yeah, that's what it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little presentation, and you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and I always try to bring you something lovely, something new. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. Oh, before I go, I want to show you this thing, because I realized this one is also has something like you can watch your heads. You see here? That's the little window here to see your heads, and then you see them moving when you hit the play button or stop. How cool is that? Really cool. And that's about it, and see you guys next time what we can come up with. Until then, cheers.